Hey everybody, it's Troy and Katie here. As you might know, we are embarking on van life 100% for the next couple of years. And we have some unboxings to do, some products that we got in for our van. And the first one we're gonna do is our friends over at Nomadic Innovations. We have their new X3 12-volt AC system that's gonna go in the roof of the van. And so we're just gonna do a little unboxing here. So this just came to us. It doesn't come just like this in a box. It's actually on a pallet and it's fully securely wrapped. So, and they always say when you get it, always inspect it before you completely take out of the box and make sure there's no damage. And so that's what we did. Everything seemed to be good. So now we're just gonna open it up.
I'm so excited about this.
We've been wanting this for such a long time and we are so excited to have this system in our van. It's clean, it's flush mount to the ceiling. So let's see what this thing looks like. This thing is awesome. Okay, honey, can you come here and help me take this out of the box?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see, we got some control panel and wiring here. And we actually are excited because we have the new LCD screen for this system. We're supposedly the first ones to have it, so that's an upgrade. And let's see, we have a bag here of some tools, some bolts and nuts for the install. Let's see, we'll put these off to the side. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to lift this out. Oh, it looks like these are tightening brackets for the ceiling. And we got some foam in here. Let's see, some 3M foam. Now we will try to lift this guy out. Okay, go ahead and pull that box. Okay, so here we go. So she is. So we opted for the black AC system. It also comes in white, but because our van is black, we wanted everything to match, so it's perfect. Oh, we also have, this is one of the install rubbers, I believe, for the top of the roof that you put on. So this, and then here is the actual panel that sits in your van. So this is on the ceiling. This is flush mount to the ceiling. So this is.
I really cannot believe how beautiful that is.
Yeah, this looks great. Another thing that we're going to mention, so Nomadic did jump on with us as a build partner. So this is a sponsored unit. We're very grateful to have them be partners with us on this new chapter we're doing. So we'll take a little closer look into this. I think some of the key features on this thing is pretty awesome. And so, again, this is the Nomadic X3. And then these are the key features.
The Nomadic X3 is a game changer for van lifers, overlanders, RVers, offering powerful cooling without the need for shore power or engine connections. True off-grid freedom. It's been redesigned with a smaller footprint, a quieter, brushless fan, and a vibration-resistant compressor, making it more efficient and durable than ever. The upgraded intelligent LCD panel ensures clear visibility even in direct sunlight. The entire MCB has been revamped and even more intelligent operational logic. If you want to stay cool on the road without the hassle, this is the must-have AC unit for all your adventures.
After overlooking the unit here, I just wanted to point out, because some people might ask, is that scratched? It's actually not. So when the unit comes, there's actually a very heat shrinked piece of plastic over it to just kind of protect the paint of it. So you just want to tear that off when you install it. So once it's installed on top of your roof, just rip this off and she's gonna look super glossy black. So, but we can't wait to get this unit up on top of our van. So our van is a 2024 Ford Transit extended high roof. We have the EcoBoost 3.5 twin turbo V6, and she is all-wheel drive. So this will pair perfect for the top of our van. So we're excited. Next video on this is gonna be actually the install video that we will be doing at Surge Supply. So those guys are gonna install it for us, and stay tuned.